Good morning. Today we are going to finish part 4. Wasn't that quick? Today's chapter is chapter 23, entitled A Day Like Any Other. There are a few vocabulary words that we are going to preview. Then you will read the chapter and you will notice that today's questions include questions from all of part 4. So feel free to go back into the chapters that are included in part 4 and answer them. The first word is sibling. You probably know of a sibling as a brother or sister. It is each of 2 or more children or offspring having one or both parents in common. So again, like your brother or sister is your sibling. The next word is tailboard. A tailboard is a hinged flap at the back of a truck that can be lowered or removed when loading or unloading the vehicle. So you can kind of see in the picture, it's like a pickup truck where the hatch lowers down and you are able to load things into the back of a truck. All right, those are the 2 vocabulary words for today. Enjoy the last part of chapter 4. And then remember, the questions on today's Google document assignment is going to include all 4 chapters of part 4. Have a great day.